you're now watching Sprightly Kid, and today I'm gonna make a Hello Kitty model made out of clay. It's like a clay version of Hello Kitty. I also it's based on this stuffed toy that I had. I also featured this in one of my bedtime story videos, so if you haven't seen it, go check it out. So this is Hello Kitty. I'm gonna make a clay model based on her. Yep, so let's get started. So first, on how to make this, I'm gonna get some air dried clay. And then here's my air dried clay. I have been using these stuff a lot. I am gonna take a little clay, and then I'm gonna shape it into a little ball. So here's my little ball, and now here's my little ball, and now I'm gonna make it into kind of like an oval shape, because the Hello Kitty kind of stuffed toy is actually oval, kind of like oval shaped. So I'm gonna make it like an oval, and I'm also gonna, here's my oval kitty. Wait, I'm gonna fix this up first. So now that I've got this cat, which is basically an oval, I'm gonna take a smaller piece of clay, like this one, and I'm gonna make a circle out of that too, because this is gonna be the little tail that Hello Kitty has. Wait, so it's too big, so I'm gonna take half of that and shape it and make the tail smaller. Okay, that's the right size. So now we're gonna attach the tail. To prevent it from falling off, I'm just gonna use the clay. I'm just gonna collide it with the main body of Hello Kitty. And then once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna round it out more. There we go. That's a Hello Kitty, almost. But first we're going to shape out some little details. So I'm going to take this small piece of clay, split it in half, roll 2 balls, and then pinch the little top here, because this is going to be the ears of Hello Kitty. So, and I'm going to do the same thing for the other one. So now that I've got Hello Kitty ears, I'm going to attach them onto Hello Kitty. So I'm going to do this. Okay. So this is the Hello Kitty ears that I attached to the main body. And now that the ears are done, I'm also going to take another piece of clay, and then I'm going to split it in half again. And then I'm going to roll them into balls again. But this time, this is actually going to be the bow of Hello Kitty. Also, I'm just making another circle. Yeah. And now I'm going to attach these 2 pieces right here. And I'm going to attach it to this circle as representation of the bow. So, yeah. And now I'm gonna put the bow on Hello Kitty's ear right here. And now that I've made Hello Kitty, I'm gonna let the clay dry before I can paint this. So now that the clay of this Hello Kitty baby model is dry, I'm gonna start painting this. So I'm gonna put some white paint on her, just like Hello Kitty. Just like the original Kitty has. So here I go, painting on the white, starting. Now that this is finished, I'm gonna let this to dry. So I'm gonna use the whole of this tape thing to hold this kitty to dry in place. There we go. Now that the front of my kitty is done, I'm gonna paint the bottom of it, Now that the Hello Kitty Now that the white on Hello Kitty is dry, I'm gonna go in with the red and start painting her bow. Now that the bow on Hello Kitty is done, I'm gonna start working on some details. The black details, like I'm gonna start painting her whiskers. Now that the whiskers are done, I'm gonna work on some more black details, which are painting on her eyes. These are the black eyes. Finally, for the finishing touch, I'm gonna paint Hello Kitty's mouth or nose. I call it a nose mouth. I'm gonna paint her nose mouth with the yellow. Okay, now time to let this face. Now that Hello Kitty is all done, I'm gonna take some Mod Podge and I'm gonna seal it, put it on the entire Hello Kitty so that I can seal the Mod Podge will seal the paint and it'll prevent the paint from chipping off. Now time to let this thing dry. So this is the finished result of my Hello Kitty clay model. This is the one that I did. I really like it. It's so cute. And I also want to mention that I did another one like this one off camera. I did this off camera. I showed this to my mom and she said that this one is a lot more fatter than this one. So I guess this one is more like Hello Kitty than this one, but that's okay. So these are the two kittens together. They're so cute and I love them. Aww. And yep, those are my kitten clay models. And this is where I get the idea from. This is my Hello Kitty plush toy that I got at Universal Studios. I planned that she's gonna be the mother of these two kittens. So this is where I get the idea from. So now that the twins are born, they can do some family bonding with Hello Kitty. Hello. Milk time. They're gonna drink milk. So cute. So, this is a drawing that I did. This is Hello Kitty, the mom, and these two miniature Hello Kitties are based on the clay models of the Hello Kitty that I did. And these two down here are characters from Mariah Elizabeth. You know who's this. This is Willie, and this is Pickle the dinosaur. And they wanted to interview Hello Kitty and her family. So this is a drawing that I did. I really like it. So back to the clay kittens. Like I said, I really like these. They're so cute. I even asked my mom what she thought of them. She said they were cute, but she thinks they're better than the original kitty, the original Hello Kitty, the mother. So that's my video of me making a Hello Kitty clay model. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching Sprightly Kid. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye!